dogs or turrets or griffins or urns. Those don't belong, not here in Chicago. Essentially, the Chicago School, those are the first office buildings. As we continue along the South Branch, here to the right, this is our Boeing building from 1993. On the other side of the wall, those are railroad tracks that go underneath every single building on the right, as far as we can see right now. You see, the railroad companies, they were here first. A lot of the Midwestern millionaires in the last century were railroad tycoons. So a deal was struck. But yes, buildings can be built over the railroad tracks for a fee. Something called air rights, existing in Chicago. So all of these buildings on the right, as far as you can see right now, essentially the ground floors are tunnels going along into the railroad companies. You have to go vertical. You have to maximize space in Chicago and downtown. And here on our left, a great example of multitasking. This is an opera house on the ground floor. And up above, it's an office building. So the 1929 Opera House, Civic Opera Building, is still home to the Lyric Opera of Chicago. Now this has unusual ornamentation on the exterior. Greek theater masks, garlands, wreaths, musical lyres, and horns. The reason there's a wall to our left is because we're backstage. The reason building is spelled with a V instead of a U is to be pretentious. Now you don't see a lot of Gothic in Chicago. New York City, they're crazy about Gothic during this time period. A lot of Gothic in New York. Not really in Chicago. We're more of an Art Deco town during this period. But because of the romantic nature of what's happening inside, we get a little bit more decorative and dramatic on the outside. Now, the Opera House, their first performance was Verdi's Aida, 6 days after the stock market crash. So it's an example of wealth and opulence. Now, the Great Depression really affects architecture, among other things, in the United States. In most American cities, you see this dichotomy. You have these big, opulent, decorative Art Deco buildings. It's just a art. When the bridges open up, lots of stuff falls down. It's direct. But you have all these big, opulent Art Deco buildings right next to buildings that look like this. Here to the right, this is Gateway 1. Next to Gateway 1 is Gateway 2. Gateway 1 and 2 are great examples of a style of architecture known as modernism. Now, this is a style of architecture that's very easy to take for granted. It's an office building. But this is a movement, a very specific movement. And once you start analyzing architecture in the cultural context of the time, it makes sense. So, post-Great Depression, now there's no money, so there's no building, so there are no architectural styles. The style that then does arise in the 1950s and 60s of modernism is very subdued. It's very minimal. There's no extra ornamentation. It's very sober. It's very mature. This is also called the Second Chicago School in many circles. Same concept, steel frame skeleton, huge windows. Now this style is also known as Miesium, referring to Ludwig Mies van der Rohe. He taught at the Illinois Institute of Technology for 22 years, and that German architect was the last director of the Bauhaus. Brought that German sensibility here to Chicago, fleeing Nazi Germany post-World War II, and influenced an entire generation of architects. Modernism doesn't last forever. It starts to morph and change. Coming up on our right is Gateway 3. Now, Gateway 3 is also modernism. This is 1970s modernism. And whereas Gateway 1 and 2, it's 1950s and 1960s. By the time we get to the 70s, the economy is doing a little bit better. Culture is changing a bit, and what starts to happen is even though modernist buildings don't have any extra ornamentation, they still have a sense of design derived from the engineering of the building. So it's white because of the color of the concrete. The very thin horizontal lines that give almost a flat pattern to the structure, those are the floor plates. So we have the concrete and the floor plates contributing a sense of design. So modernism, very, very conservative, very constrained. And then we get to the 1980s and Gateway 4. Gateway 4, also designed by Skidmore, Owings and Merrill. We enter into the postmodern era. Note how Gateway 3 is reflected in the side of Gateway 4, rippling and looking like it's underwater. That's intentional. This is a postmodern building inspired by an outside surface, outside influence, and once again it is the river itself. So greenish tone, building is designed curving like the river itself. And again, the windows post office, Chicago was once the mail order catalog capital of the world. Sears and Roebuck, Montgomery Ward, these were catalog companies. So catalogs the size of telephone books being sent out from Chicago, taking in the orders, sending out the thousands of objects that you could buy for your home. We needed a huge facility back in the 20s and 30s. Today we need a more efficient facility just to deal with our regular city mail. Up ahead and beyond the trees to the left, curvilinear modernism. You're thinking to yourself right now. Yes, I knew it. This is the same architect as the Corncob Towers. This is River City. River City, built in 1983. This is Bertram Goldberg. Here's the deal with Goldberg. He was an architect who studied at IIT under Mies van der Rohe. So the father of the black box. This was one of his students. Goldberg was a modernist. He believed in form follows function. He just didn't believe in the right. The form is curvilinear. The function is to create a sense of community. See, Goldberg thought that circles bring people together. Circles are tribal. So the idea with River City is designed to be a neighborhood within two buildings running parallel to one another. The George Jetson-like windows, that's not just a design choice, that's form following as well. It's redistributing the weight of the concrete, keeping it from cracking. There are also different sized apartments inside, not even just between bedroom size, but square footage. Again, promoting that class diversity that Bertram Goldberg believed in. So you have a lot of different walks of life cohabitating in one complex. River City, 1983, also got dock space for the residents down below. Directly ahead of us, those two smokestacks there, that is on top of an old power plant, that's Art Deco in its design. And to our right is nothing you're going to take a picture of, really. To our right, this is actually a historic site. This is where the Great Chicago Fire started. This was a poor shanty town inhabited by Irish immigrants during the 19th century, and the Great Chicago Fire began here on October 8th, 1871. Control tower to the right, not the one in the foreground, but the one beyond, is for the Chicago Fire Academy. That was built where Catherine O'Leary's barn stood. That was ground zero for the Great Fire. The Great Fire began October 8th. The wind was blowing very, very, very strong. And the fire consumed this poor shanty town of Irish immigrants. It only got as far south as approximately where that bridge is, directly ahead of us, and burned all the way up to Fullerton in the neighborhood of Lincoln Park. That's 4 miles. Completely wiped out over 3 days. Oh yeah, calling it the Great Fire is not hyperbole. It was massive. How did the fire begin? Now you may have heard something about a cow with a lantern. And that story was fabricated by a journalist at the time, that Catherine O'Leary had been looking at a cow after dark. The cow kicks over the lantern, starting the blaze. Catherine O'Leary had nothing to do with it. The fire did start by her barn, but the truth of the matter is that we'll never know exactly what started the fire. But there had been a lot of fires in 1871. The city was made of wood. The winds were extremely strong, and there had been a drought for 3 months. Even the sidewalks were made of wood here in Chicago because it was really marshy and mucky. You want to keep your skirts out of the mud. The Great Chicago Fire is considered, of 1871, is considered by historians to be one of the best things that ever happened to Chicago. The city was built too fast. It was a mess. And so it was gave us a second chance, an opportunity to start from scratch. There was a lot of money here in Chicago. We were very fortunate to be prosperous, and there was a lot of money invested in rebuilding the city. Furthermore, we were fortunate that it happened in the period of time that it did. The rebuild coincided with the advent of steel. So all of a sudden, little Chicago becomes the center of architectural innovations and experimentation. There's a lot of money here. Let's rebuild the city, and let's see how high we can go as well. No longer standing, the first skyscraper in the world was built here in Chicago. So it has been argued that if it wasn't for the fire, Chicago would have become a skyscraper town. Particularly because this land is marshy and bumpy, and for building a tall building without stabilizing it, since there is no real bedrock, it'll just kind of sink. So the innovations at the time included floating arch foundations, no artificial bedrock, and caissons, which are stilts and pylons that reach deep this building. Um, it's black, simple, it's minimalist. Ding, ding, ding. It's modernism. No extra ornamentation, including those antennas on the top. Those two antennas are functional, and they're not considered part of the architecture. Like on a postmodern building. Postmodern buildings can have spires, and it's considered part of the architecture, like the new World Trade Center Tower in New York City. So once you get into tall building contests, that's when spires become a thing. The new World Trade Center Tower in New York City, designed by Skidmore, Owings & Merrill, is the tallest building in North America. But that's because of its spire height. And that's fine, that's cool, we're all friends. Same architectural firm as the Sears Tower. But I just want to say that is the tallest rooftop in America. Just saying. Now, the Sears Tower, 1973, so Skidmore, Owings & Merrill, it was the tallest building in the world for 25 years, from 1973 until 1998. It's a long run. Not bad. Today, the Willis Tower is not even the second tallest building in the world. The tallest building in the world is nearly twice as tall. Dubai, very good, 20 points. Um, Now, so yes, Burj Khalifa, Dubai, nearly twice as tall. Skidmore, Owings & Merrill, same architectural firm. So what's going on with that? We've got 25 years where this is the tallest building in the world. That's the pinnacle, made of steel frame. The Sears Tower sways in the wind. You can feel it. It's not visible from this distance, but what changed? The answer lies in the pinkish building that you see in the foreground, with the sun glinting off of it. Castle-like top there. That's 311 South Wacker. Pinkish building, postmodern, 1993. When it was finished in 1993, designed by Kohn Pedersen Fox, 311 South Wacker was the tallest building in the world, made of reinforced concrete. So what changed? The technology changed. So steel frame skeletons, skyscrapers aren't being made that way anymore. Now it's all about reinforced concrete. The Burj Khalifa is reinforced concrete. And so the tallest building in the world is also the tallest reinforced concrete building in the world as well. So yeah, technology changing, marching on. Going back into the past, your grandma's skyscraper, that generation, this pyramid-topped building with a statue on the top of it, that is the Chicago Board of Trade from 1929. That was the tallest building in the Midwest for 20 years. So that was, a skyscraper so tall, I can't see the top of it. So yeah, the Chicago Board of Trade, the statue on the top, that is Ceres, the Roman goddess of grain. Chicago became the largest exporter of grain in the world during the 19th century, so we've got the goddess of grain on top of our commodities exchange center. So yeah, so a skyscraper, we keep getting more and more literal with the term as history marches on. Right, and now, so yeah, sun glinting off of 311. So 311 doesn't have a name. Lots of nicknames like the Diamond Ring Building, Big White Castle. The drum at the top is actually comprised of lit by fluorescent lights. 2,000 fluorescent lights. And used to shine so brightly that wildlife watchers observed that birds' migratory patterns were being disrupted because they thought it was the moon. So about 1,000 fluorescent lights were unplugged. It was turned down just a skoch. Now it is a postmodern building and kind of castle-like top. It's actually inspired by the French cathedral-like crown of the Tribune Tower. Not visible right now, but we'll see the Tribune Tower with its inspired crown later on the tour on the way back. So now we're getting closer to Big Willie there. It's a bundled tube design. It's 9 blocks bundled together, each one coming to a different height. So it's modernist with four colors function. Very serious, very white color. Because of that bundled tube design, you have all these different rooftops. So from the sky deck, there's only one side of the building that has a view looking straight down, and that is the west side. You can see a little bit of business up there, shooting off from the sky deck, 4 glass balconies. That is the ledge. See that movement? Those are people. Visible again in just a moment. The sky deck, the